Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a product installation video for Dazuma Square Outdoor Post Lighting. The package includes one bag of screws, one remote control, one instruction manual, one product unit. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the product base and set them aside safely. Remove the bottom cover of the product. Please be careful, as the bottom cover contains a high-intensity bulb. Avoid knocking it out and causing damage. Place the product's base plate where you intend to install the product. Then mark and drill the holes. Insert the 4 expansion screws from the screw pack into the holes. Remove the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut from each of the 4 expansion bolts, and keep them in a safe place. Connect the power cord on the bottom of the product to your push and quick connect terminal. Place the product's bottom cover in position. Reinstall the 2 retaining rings and 1 screw cap from the 4. The expansion bolts you removed earlier, following our installation sequence. Install the product's lampshade. Reinstall the 4 mounting screws on the base of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.